Editing your IONOS website is a straightforward process thanks to its user-friendly website builder. Here's how to make changes. Log into your IONOS account. Visit the IONOS website and log in with your credentials. Access the website builder. Once logged in, navigate to the website builder section. Click on the website you want to edit. Choose edit mode. In the website dashboard, click on the edit button to enter the editing interface. You will see your site's layout and content. Edit text and images. To change text, click on the text box you wish to edit. Type in your new content directly. For images, click on the image you want to change. You can upload a new image or select one from your media library. Add new elements. Use the drag and drop feature to add new elements like text boxes, images, buttons, or galleries. Just drag them to the desired location on the page. Preview and save changes. After editing, use the preview option to see how your changes will look live. If satisfied, click Save to apply the changes. Publish your updates. Finally, click on the Publish button to make your edits live on your website.